Hey everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing and quick overview on the AIRSEE electric spin scrubbers. Because of its varied attachments, you can use it to clean a wide variety of surfaces, including your bathroom, your kitchen, windows. This is a handheld, portable, cordless cleaning device, so you can see it has quite a few attachments here pictured on the box. Here's a quick look at the back of the box, just some warning and some guidance in terms of usage. But opening up the box here, you're first greeted with the comprehensive quick start instruction manual. First page is safety tips, and then what is included in the box. Also some assembly instructions and what each of the attachment does. User and cleaning instructions, as well as what the LED display can mean, and some troubleshooting tips and contact info. So then removing everything else from the box, you do have the individual attachments. There are a total of 6 attachment pieces, 5 that are varied. The piece to hold down the sponge and scouring pads already on the actual scrubbing unit. This device is rechargeable using a USB Type-C cord, which is included in the box. If you have a wall adapter, you can also plug it in there, or otherwise you can just plug it into your computer via the other end, which is USB Type-A. And you can see they do give you 2 scouring pads. So that's everything that you get in the box. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the device. So it's very simple. It only has a 1-button operation that you can see right below the LED screen, which does show the battery percentage. So right now I have it at 70%, and I can toggle between low speed and high speed and then turning it off. On the bottom here is a little rubber flap protecting the charging port, as you can see here. This is where you would plug in that USB Type-C cable. And then next to that is a hole that you can use to hang this up. Using it is really straightforward. It's pretty compact, it's very portable, it's not very heavy and easy to maneuver. Right now I do have the pad attachment on here, so all I have to do is stick on either the sponge or the scouring pads, and if I wanted to change out this entire attachment, I just need to give it a little bit of a pull and it comes straight off. So running through what each attachment is good for cleaning what surfaces. So the soft sponge one is mainly for light cleaning, for very delicate surfaces, maybe like glass. The scouring pad, on the other hand, has a much rougher surface, but it's still a pad, so you want to use this on smooth surfaces like bathroom tile or kitchen backsplash, something like that. The next item here is the flat bristle brush. They do have some hard bristles here, so this is for a little bit more heavy duty cleaning, so you can still technically use it on like bathroom tile for much harder to get off places, but I would personally probably use this on like hard tile floor or on a patio deck. Similar to the flat bristle brush, these are also hard bristles on the corner brush. So this is good, as the name implied, for corners specifically, those harder to reach areas, like getting rid of the nasty buildup in the tile grouts. And finally, this is the crevice attachment. So this is good for the narrow spaces, that getting that specific line of grout out. So this is for even more narrow, tight to reach places. What I do have to say is that this particular attachment is a little bit more difficult to remove because there's just not as much protruding surface area. But it can be done. You may just want to be wearing gloves or clean off the tips a little bit before trying to remove. Even at the higher speed, it isn't particularly too loud. Of course, I am reducing the volume right now, but I would say that it's not something that I have to worry about, wearing hearing protection for or something like that. But there you have it. That is a quick overview on how to use this particular scrubber. If you guys are interested in picking this up, as usual, I have the product link in the description.